Hello and welcome to Bravo Technologies. We want to introduce a new service today. We are offering on-demand 3D printing. Whether you have a school project that you need some parts for, or if you think you might have $1 million idea and need some prototyping, or anything in between, we'll be glad to help you out with that. I want to give you a quick overview of how it works. If you'll go to our homepage at techbravo.net, go over to Services, and down to 3D printing and click on that. And when the page comes up, it will have a place here where you can upload your model. Now you can go to any number of websites, and here's about 30 of them right now, where you can go find ready-made files for 3D printing. There are programs where you can design your own. You can modify ones that were already in existence. There's a lot of options here. We'll be glad to consult with you if you have some custom needs. But I've got a couple of them picked out here already. First of all, what you'll do is find a file that you want, and this happens to be a mag release button for an airsoft gun. Evidently somebody broke one, so they designed a new one. So we're going to download the files, and we can close this box out, and you'll notice that it comes up here. So let's show it in the folder. And I'll have to drag it over here where we can see it. And here's the airsoft mag release, and you can tell it's a zip file, so we'll want to extract it. And then once it's extracted, you can see that there are some folders in there. So now that we have that, let's go back over to the page. So we're going to upload that model. So it happened to take me right to it. So there's the button, STL file, and we're going to open it. So what's going to happen is it's going to pull that image in here. Now you can check it out in the 3D viewer. It'll tell you what printer we're using, which right now I've just got the Sendo DP200. Right now I've got some white PLA in it, and you can choose whether you want it clear coated or whatnot. It will tell you the material volume, the box volume, surface area, the weight, and the dimensions, and also give you an estimated price on how much it's going to cost. So if you want to get a quote, put in your email address. If you need to leave any comments, that's fine, and click request a quote, and it will upload this file to our servers, and we'll get right back with you to firm up the quote and get your stuff printed. Now also on this page there's some other stuff. It talks about the printer, and of course there's a little bit of fine print. Always has to be, right? So that's basically how it works. Now this particular printer has a build volume of about 8 inches by 8 inches by 8 inches. Now what that means is if we upload a model that's too big for the printer, it's going to let you know that. Now I've got this one here. Let me extract it, and I'll show you what I mean. Let's go in and try to upload this file. And see, it model does not fit the selected printer. Now there's a couple of options here. You could pull it into a program and scale it down. You won't be able to even send it to us because it is too big for our printer. So it kind of keeps us from making mistakes as well. But if you want to find out a little bit more, please feel free to hit our contact button, fill out a short form here, put in your question, and we will be glad to get back with you and let you know more about it. So that's our new 3D printing service. So take advantage of it. We can do some neat things. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.